This is just a short video tutorial to explain how I upcycled this buffet. We bought it from an antique shop on sale for $60. It had a sink in the top. On the way home, it tipped over in the back of the truck, and one of the drawers flew out, and the car behind us swerved, so they ran over it. So it sat up at our old house for quite a while before I decided what I wanted to do with it. And as you can see in the after picture, I took the middle rail out where the two upper drawers were. I took the two side drawers and two side doors off. I trimmed off the bottom to make it flat. I took the top off. The top that's on there now was an old door, tongue and groove door out of, I believe it was our old house. And the bottom of the shelves are actually leftover scraps of tongue and groove. I painted it all this one color. I stained the piece on the top and polyurethaned it. Bought the baskets to fit in. Since then, on the two ends, I found some baskets that fit in there just perfect for like my off-season clothes. And I think it turned out very nice. And it currently sits at the end of my bed so I can see the back. So I did end up putting a piece of tongue and groove paneling on the back side and painting it as well. And I hope you like this. See you next time.